Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, I decided I wanted to give my master closet a mini facelift, so that's exactly what I've done. I've gone through with some fresh paint, cleaned out all the things that needed to be donated, switched out some hangers, just reorganized in general. So I don't want to bore you with the details. Let's just jump into it, and I hope you enjoy. All right, you guys. So first off, sorry, I filmed this the wrong way, obviously, but this is the before. So as you can tell, things are not as organized. It's just, it's just it's a hot mess. Let's just say it. Let's just call it what it is. It's a hot mess. So I knew it was time to get in there and get things organized. Beige walls. I went ahead and painted the closet white. I was going for a nice, crisp, fresh, airy feeling. I think the white helped the space feel larger since it is a small space to begin with. Thinking she has so many black clothes. Well, you're not wrong. And number one, black never goes out of style. And number two, that's what I wear to work. So yes, I do have a lot of black clothes. If you've caught on quite yet, but I do like to organize my clothes from darkest to lightest. So that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm putting all my black shirts on the left side and flowing that all the way through my lightest shirts. This is a tie rack. This was installed when I redid my closet, but I've seen things like this at like the Container Store, Target, Walmart. These are things you can just install yourself, super easy. One of my new favorite thing is these shoe containers. I did get these from the Container Store. I don't know about you guys, but I do not like when dust or dirt or anything like that gets on my shoes. So having these boxes has been amazing. Now I do have more shoes, but I really wanted my main shoes in my closet, the ones that I reach for the most or I frequent because of work. The rest of my shoes I actually put in our secondary closet. It's time to make some labels. I bought a couple of these baskets and I just wanted to label them. So what I've done is just printed out the things that I need. I have some Scotch tape, some clear string, a hole punch, scissors, and that is my paper cutter. You do not need to be that extra, but that's just who I am as an individual. So let's get these cut and then I will walk you through how to do the rest of it. are all cut, I'm taking a piece of Scotch tape and putting it on one side of the label, and then flipping it over and taking another piece of tape and lying it right on top of it. That way, when I cut off the excess tape, it almost gives it like a laminated feeling to it, if you will. And then, where's my hole punch? I will be hole punching it, and then I will take my little clear string, feed it through my basket, tie it, and boom, there's your label. Before I start putting things in my baskets, I usually put a dryer sheet down first just to keep my clothing fresh smelling. That's just a personal preference. But there you go, there's my winter wear box ready to go up top. The things that I chose to put in these boxes are usually seasonal things that I don't need all the time. But they're labeled and you know where they are if you do need them. Box at the Container Store for my seasonal items. I just like my clothing folded nicely, put away, so that way it's ready to wear later on. If you have any questions on folding, maybe I can make a video. I thought that might be boring. Now, I just wanted to show you really quickly what my drawers look like. It's nothing super special. Just folded it, make sure you can see your items, and yes, I do put labels on my drawers. Well, this is the finished look. I really enjoyed the way that this came out. I did switch a couple of things around, like the baskets on the top, and those linen baskets I changed out, and that bamboo basket is the laundry basket. So I really wanted everything to have a nice flow to it. I want it to be organized but airy at the same time, labeled, and I couldn't be happier. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Let me know how you liked the video. I really like projects like this, so if it's something that you also like, subscribe, leave me a comment, hit the like button, whatever you gotta do, let me know, and I would be more than happy to do small projects like this. I had a lot of fun doing it, and I'm really enjoying the look of my space. So let me know, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.